This is the lung, right lung, left lung. Right lung, we have 3 lobes: anterior, superior, middle, and inferior. And the left lung, we have 2 lobes: superior and inferior. And for the right lung, we have the costal surface and the mediastinal surface. For the left lung, we also have the costal surface and the mediastinal surface. For the right lung, mediastinal surface, we have the hilum. And the lower part is the inferior pulmonary vein. And the anterior part, we have the superior pulmonary vein. Inside here, we have 2 bronchus in the right, the upper one and the lower one, superior lobar and inferior lobar. And between the bronchus, we have the pulmonary artery. And the structure relate at the mediastinal surface. Here, we have the right atrium. And here, inferior vena cava. And the upper one, superior vena cava. And here, we have the azygous vein and esophagus. Here, we have the arch of azygous. And superior, we have 3 structure: trachea, vagus, and esophagus. And this is the left lung. This is the apex, anterior border, cardiac notch, and lingula. How we are going to identify whether it's apex or base? First, look at here. And here, the base is more wider, concave shape. And for the anterior surface, sharp border. Posterior surface, rounded. And this is the mediastinal surface of the left lung, hilum, middle. And at the left lung, we have only 1 bronchus. This is the main bronchus. The inferior one, inferior pulmonary vein. The anterior one, superior pulmonary vein. And the upper one, pulmonary artery. The structure relate here. This esophagus. This is the descending aorta. And here, arch of aorta. Here, structure relate here. Left subclavian artery. Here, left common carotid artery. And this is the left ventricle. At here, we have the structure which is the thymus gland, phrenic nerve, and pulmonary trunk. And we have also the segments. For the left, we have 8 segments. First, it divided into 2 parts, here and here. And this, we have the apical posterior and anterior segment. At the lingula, we have 2 segments, superior lingular segment and inferior lingular segment. And here, we have the apical segment. We have the anterior medial segment. We have the lateral segment. And we have the posterior segment. If the lower lobe, must put basal at the last. Apical basal, posterior basal, anterior medial basal, and lateral basal. For the right lung, this one, we have 10 segments. Apical segment, anterior segment, posterior segment, this lateral segment, and medial segment. And here, divide into 5 segments: apical basal segment, posterior basal segment, anterior basal segment, lateral basal segment, and medial basal segment. That's all.